Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lina.
Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Adam.
And I'm Lina. We're really happy you're here today.
If you enjoy calm and easy English conversations, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Let me ask you something. Do you like talking about your family?
Many people do.
Today we're talking about how to talk about your family in easy English.
Yes, simple words and real conversation for daily life.
It's a quiet afternoon now.
Yes, it's around 4 o'clock.
The weather is warm today.
It feels nice and calm.
Adam, how do you feel today? I feel relaxed.
Relaxed means calm.
Yes, calm and comfortable. I feel a little tired.
Oh, really?
Yes, work was busy today.
Busy means you have many things to do.
Exactly. Lina, can I ask you about your family?
Of course.
Who is in your family?
I have a small family.
Oh, that sounds nice.
I live with my parents.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
I see. Is your sister older or younger?
She is younger than me.
Younger means less age.
Yes.
Where does your family live?
We live in the same city.
That's convenient.
Yes, we see each other often.
I like that.
Me too.
Family time is important.
Very important.
I want to talk about my family too.
Please do.
I have a big family.
Oh, really?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
That is a big family.
Sometimes it feels noisy.
Noisy means loud.
Yes, very loud sometimes. Who do you live with, Adam? Sorry, let me ask again politely. Who do you live with?
That sounds better. Thank you.
I live with my wife and my children.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
That sounds lovely.
They are young and active.
Active means they move a lot.
Yes, they never stop. Sometimes I feel tired at home.
That's understandable.
That is my small problem.
What do you do then?
I try to rest in the evening.
That's a good solution.
I drink tea and sit quietly.
Tea time helps many people relax.
Lina, how often do you talk to your family?
I talk to them every day.
Every day?
Yes, even if it's just a short call.
That's a good habit.
You should try it too.
I should call more often.
Maybe you can call in the evening.
That's a good idea.
Even 5 minutes is enough.
Short talks are still meaningful.
Yes, they are.
When do you usually have family time?
In the evening after dinner.
Dinner time feels special.
Yes, we sit and talk together.
What do you talk about?
Daily life.
Work and plans?
Yes, and funny stories.
I like funny stories.
Me too.
Laughter makes family closer.
That's true.
Sometimes I don't know how to talk about my family in English.
That happens to many learners.
I feel confused.
Confused means not sure.
Yes, not sure what words to use.
You can keep it simple.
Simple words are okay?
Yes, very okay.
Like, I have 2 brothers.
Perfect sentence.
Or, I live with my parents.
Also perfect.
I don't need long sentences.
No, short sentences are clear.
That makes me feel confident.
Confidence is important.
Let's practice a little.
Okay.
Who is in your family?
I live with my parents and my sister.
Where does your family live?
They live near me.
Very good.
Thank you.
Now your turn to ask.
Okay. Who do you live with?
I live with my wife and children.
How often do you see your parents?
I see them every weekend.
That sounds nice.
I feel more comfortable now.
That's great.
Talking about family feels easy.
Yes, with practice.
So today we talked about family.
Yes, how to talk about family in easy English.
We learned simple questions and answers.
and how to keep it calm and natural.
I want to talk more about family life.
Me too.
Maybe next we can talk about family routines.
That would be interesting.
I'm ready to continue.
Let's continue next time.
Welcome back, Lina.
Hi, Adam. It's nice to continue our talk.
Yes, I enjoyed talking about family last time.
Me too. Family is an important topic.
It's early evening now.
Yes, around 6 o'clock.
The sky looks soft and orange.
It feels peaceful.
After work, I think about my family more.
That's natural.
Work days can be long.
Long days make people tired.
Tired means you need rest.
Exactly.
My family helps me relax.
That's wonderful.
Lina, what do you usually do with your family?
We eat dinner together.
Every day?
Almost every day.
That sounds nice.
We talk about our day.
Simple talk?
Yes, very simple.
What did you do today?
Where did you go?
Who did you meet?
Those questions help us connect.
I like those questions.
They are easy English, too.
Good for practice.
Yes, perfect for beginners.
At home, my children talk a lot.
Children like to talk.
They ask many questions.
Like what?
Why is the sky blue?
Oh, really?
Yes, many why questions.
Why questions are common.
Sometimes I don't know the answer.
That's okay.
I say, I don't know.
That's a good sentence.
Simple and honest.
Exactly.
English does not need to be perfect.
Just clear and kind.
Lina, do you have family traditions?
Yes, we do.
What kind of traditions?
We meet every weekend.
Every weekend?
Yes, on Sunday afternoon.
That's regular.
Regular means it happens often.
What do you do together?
We cook food.
Who cooks?
Everyone helps.
I like cooking with family.
Me too.
It feels warm.
Warm means happy and comfortable.
Sometimes my family eats at different times.
That can happen.
That is a small problem.
What do you do then?
We choose one day to eat together.
That's a good solution.
Friday night is family night.
That sounds nice.
We sit, eat, and talk.
No phones?
No phones.
That's a good rule.
It helps us listen.
Listening is important.
Listening means paying attention.
Yes, not just hearing.
Lina, how do you talk about family in English with new people?
I keep it simple.
Like what?
I say, I have a small family.
Or, I live with my parents.
Exactly.
What if someone asks many questions?
You can answer slowly.
Slowly is okay?
Yes, very okay.
I don't need fast English.
No, calm English is better.
Sometimes people ask about my children.
What do they ask?
How old are they?
That's common.
I say they are 6 and 8.
Perfect answer.
Numbers are easy.
Yes, numbers help.
Do you talk about family at work?
Sometimes.
When?
During breaks.
Break time feels relaxed.
Yes, relaxed means calm.
People smile more.
That's true.
I feel shy at first.
That's normal.
But family is a safe topic.
Very safe.
Everyone has family.
Yes, in different ways.
Different families, same feelings.
Love and care.
I want to practice again.
Okay, let's practice.
Who is in your family?
I live with my parents and sister.
Where do they live?
They live near me.
How often do you see them?
Every day.
Very clear.
Thank you.
Now you ask me.
Okay. Who is in your family?
I have a wife and 2 children.
Where do you live?
We live in the city.
How often do you see your parents?
I see them on weekends.
Good answers.
This feels easy now.
Practice helps.
Family talk feels natural.
Yes, natural English.
So today we talked more about family life.
Yes, daily family habits and traditions.
We learned easy questions.
And calm answers.
I want to talk next about family roles.
Like parents and children?
Yes, and daily responsibilities.
That will be useful.
I'm ready to continue.
Let's continue next time.
Welcome back, Lina.
Hi, Adam. I'm happy to continue.
Me too. Talking about family feels comfortable.
Yes, it feels very natural.
It's morning now.
Yes, around 10 o'clock.
The weather is bright today.
Bright means full of light.
I had breakfast with my family.
Oh, really? What did you eat?
Bread and eggs.
Simple and nice.
Eating together feels good.
It helps families connect.
Connect means feel close.
Exactly.
Today I want to talk about family roles.
That's a good topic.
Many people ask about roles in a family.
Yes, like who does what.
Let me ask you something.
Okay.
What is your role in your family?
I help my parents at home.
How do you help them?
I cook sometimes.
That's kind.
I also clean the house.
You are very helpful.
Thank you.
Helpful means you like to help.
Yes.
In my family, I work during the day.
And in the evening?
In the evening, I help my children.
How do you help them?
I help them with homework.
That's important.
Sometimes I feel tired,
That's understandable.
but I still try.
Try means you make an effort.
Yes, an effort for my family.
Family needs effort.
But it feels good.
Love makes effort easy.
Do you have responsibilities at home?
Yes, I do.
Responsibilities mean duties,
Yes, things I need to do.
like cooking and cleaning,
Yes, and shopping.
shopping for food.
Exactly.
I also shop for my family
Where do you shop?
at the local market.
I like local markets.
They feel friendly.
Yes, people talk more.
Talking is good practice.
Even small talk helps.
Sometimes my children don't help at home.
Oh, really?
Yes, they just play.
That can be a small problem.
Yes, it is.
What do you do then?
I ask them politely.
That's good.
I say, please help me.
Polite words work well.
Sometimes they listen.
Sometimes?
Yes, not always.
That's normal.
Children learn slowly.
Slow learning is okay.
I stay calm.
Calm means relaxed.
Staying calm helps a lot.
Yes, calm parents help children.
I agree. Lina, do you talk to your family every day?
Yes, I do.
About what?
About work and plans.
Plans for the day?
Yes, and for the weekend.
Weekend talk is fun.
Very fun.
On weekends, my family spends time together.
What do you do?
We go to the park.
That sounds nice.
The children run and play.
And you?
I sit and watch.
Watching is relaxing.
Yes, relaxing means calm and easy.
Good vocabulary.
Thank you. Sometimes people ask me, do you live with your parents?
That's a common question.
I answer, no, I live with my wife and children.
Clear and simple.
Simple answers feel safe.
Yes, especially for beginners.
Long answers are not needed.
Short answers are perfect.
Let's practice family role questions.
Okay.
What do you do at home?
I help my parents and cook meals.
Who cooks in your family?
We all cook.
Very good.
Now I ask you.
Okay.
Now I ask you. Who helps your children with homework?
I help them in the evening.
When do you have family time?
In the evening and on weekends.
Great answers.
Practice makes me confident.
Confidence grows with practice.
Grow means become bigger.
Exactly.
I feel happy talking about family.
Me too.
Family is a warm topic.
Warm means friendly and kind.
So today we talked about family roles.
Yes, and daily responsibilities.
We practiced simple questions and answers.
And learned easy family words.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
We hope this topic helped you talk about your family.
Thanks for learning English with us.
Keep practicing a little every day.
Take care, everyone.
See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mr. English Official
And keep learning with us. Bye-bye.